Hello everyone. In last video, we saw how we can clean our data set so that it could be easy for us to present our data, to drive insight out of it. For today, what we'll do is we'll try to create a nice little dashboard which can answer some of the questions and which could be presented to someone and just to drive better insight out of the data. I mean, if you look at this data, so this is a good clean data, but if I need to find total sales, total revenue, the total profit by region, or according to our sales channel, or order priority, so things like that is a little difficult and it could take some time for us to just get to those data. So what we'll do is we'll just try to create a little dashboard which could help in better presentation of this available data that we have. So what we'll do is we'll use pivot table in this particular thing to make our dashboard. So let's just start with naming the sheet. We'll remove the grid lines and so we'll just give some background to it. I mean, you can use any color you want, so that's your wish. I just use some light color in the background so that it's okay. Yep, it's done. So I'll give some space on the upper side so that we can give us title, and we'll use slicers, timelines in this particular example. So for that also we'll give little space so that there's ample space over there to get done. Okay, let's just start from here. So we'll insert a pivot table. Done. Okay, so what we'll do is for region, for sales channel, for order priority, these things which are very common, like if you'll just put these data in a form of table, the table will be too much cluttered. Like when your data is repeating, just try to avoid those things putting into a table. So we'll start with our country. We want total number of units sold, then we want revenue, cost, and profit. I think that's it. That will do job for us. So see, sum of units, sum of total revenue, these things, I mean, this is something which does not look that good. So what we'll do is we'll just change something from here. Okay, units sold. Total revenue. Total cost. Whenever you are using any format, just try to use same format for all the things so that it won't look different. So these things we want in currency format, so we will do that. Okay, let's just take all row first, maybe yep, not accounting, not currency, and we'll remove that column. Okay, so starting with that, for real level we want it to be and country is there, unit sold is there, total revenue, cost, profit, right? Now we'll input some. Okay, let's just change the colors. I prefer dark colors so that it's a little visible. Okay, let's put some slices. So for region we'll take slicer. and I want it to be, that's good. So we can put it over here. And again we want one slicer for sales channel, that's offline and online. Okay, then we'll take one more slicer which is for our order priority. Okay, let's divide into columns. Yeah, that's good. So see, whenever you will select data, so your column will automatically shift out of it. So to avoid that, what you can do is just go to pivot table options, and in format, layout and format, you can just uncheck auto fit column widths on update. So what you will do is we'll just do it manually so that it won't shift again and again. I think I did a little more. Okay, so let's just go to format column width. Yeah, we'll take it as 20. Let's see if it works. No, we want a little big. Let's say 22. Yeah, I think that's okay. Okay, we don't need to worry much about it. So what we'll do is just center align these things, and yeah, we'll make some changes in our slices so that it appears nice and good. So for headers, we'll put it as normal bold color, right? And selected data items, we will put it as fill color will be little, let's take it as white. Okay, and unselected items will give it as black, and font would be white color. Okay, and okay, unselected items with data will format it as bold. Then we want it to go little. Yeah, we'll see how it works. Let's take this format. I think I selected it. I think we need to make some more changes over here. And modify it a little. Okay, you can see the changes over here, right? Yeah. So the whole slicer should have nothing. I mean, we don't want any fill, so no, we'll put it as no color. Okay, and header is good, I think so. Selected item with data, let's change it a little bit. Let's put it as black, and the font color should be white and bold. Okay, selected data, just make it little. Let's see how to. Okay, so the background color didn't change, so again we need to do that. So okay, whole slicer. Yeah, now it's good. I mean, it's a personal choice. You can make it as you want, but I prefer in this particular way. That's why I'm doing that. I'll just make it little big. So you can also save these things like slicer format so that you can use it at multiple places. This is good. And what we'll do is we don't want grand total to show over here. We'll put a separate calculations and it will show on the top. So what we'll do is we'll go to pivot table analyze design, then we'll turn off the grand totals so it won't appear over here. See, there'll be no grand totals over here. Okay, so let's just create some space for that. Let's make it a little big. Right, that's it. We'll insert some shapes. That's good. Yeah. And yeah, this looks fine. Let's see. So in one we'll show our total revenue, and we'll center this one. We will show our total cost. Let's see. We'll choose same formatting. Here we will show total profit. Okay, so we'll just put it total. Yeah, that's good. Let me just increase it. 1 second. Third. Okay, so now every column have little space. So we will use some product formula, and we want total of revenue, so we'll select it. Right, we'll do formatting for that as well at the end. For cost also same thing, and for profit also we can do same thing. That's it. So for profit we'll make it little green, and this is in currency format. We don't want zeros, put it in black. I will take it as white so that it can show us better. Same formatting we want here as well, but we'll change the background color nicely. Right, so that it denotes that it's a cost. Okay, we'll just decrease these things. Right. Yeah, it's looking fine. We'll give it a name. This dashboard. Let's increase this font size. Okay. Yep, it's looking good. You can put any color you want. Okay. I think just for some display purpose, you can add symbols like whatever you like in that. Like I'll use this one. So yeah, this looks fine, and just leave it like that. This looks fine. Yeah, so let's see, we want just for Asia online sales and with high priority. So see, these things will change automatically. and you want for offline, for low priority, for Middle East countries. So this will change automatically. Now you can do things like you can add um, countries which have highest sales, countries which have lowest sales, and countries with highest number of units sold, highest profitable country, region, and even you can add timeline to that, which will help you to what I mean to see data based on year by year. So that's the only date we have. Now I don't have proper place, that's why I'm not using it. So you just change it to year, like I want for 2017, so I can do that. I want for 2015, I can do that, and you can compare years based on that as well. Just create a small line chart that will do your job. Even you can just slide it down to take 2-3 years at a time and things like that. So there are a whole lot of options. I mean, you can see the difference between this data and the data that we have presented. It just take 10 to 15 minutes, that's it. And this could be made in more better way. So we'll see that in next video as well. So till then, practice these things on the data set that you have and how you can make your reports or present your reports in a better way. It will, I mean, it just enhance the quality of your report. So thank you. Bye bye.